As a teenager, I remember my father telling me that there are three most important things for a human life. That is good health, safe and healthy food, and advanced manufacturing. Now, I want you guys to imagine a device which can be used in all three of these things. Too good to be true, right? Well, atmospheric pressure plasma jets does just that. Now, you may ask, what is plasma? It's not blood plasma. A plasma can be generated by giving enough energy to gas so that it breaks into ionized molecules. Hello, my name is Kushara Singhal. I'm a PhD student at University of Toledo, and my research aims to enhance the capabilities of atmospheric pressure plasma jets while reducing the power consumption. So when we talk about reducing the power consumptions, we are utilizing something we call microwave resonators. Microwave resonators working is analogous to bursting of a tire, bike tire. So just like how they make very loud sound in that instant, similarly, a microwave resonator can enhance the electric field for a particular frequency. So we utilize that one particular frequency and we use that energy to break down the gas, and that's how we generate the plasma jets. And that these plasma jets are very interesting because they give some unique chemistry when they interact with the atmospheric air. They make certain chemicals which are very important in applications like antibacterial, sterilizations for medical or food packaging, to the applications of manufacturing because they can be used for material deposition for semiconductor fabrication. The traditional devices that are there, they requires very large amount of power and they are not versatile enough. But with our device, we didn't just have one single jet. We made it array of multiple jets. And with that, we solved the problem of volume of plasma for manufacturing industry. And with this low power, high volume, and high efficiency, we aim to design a device which can be used for applications ranging from medicine to manufacturing. Thank you.